Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs Voice Changer tool step by step, whether you want to sound different in example on calls, streams, or even videos. This beginner tutorial will guide you through the step and or setup and customization. So let's get started. First, let's cover what it is. ElevenLabs as example is best known for its voice as example generation. And now it has some real-time voice changer feature. It will let you speak with your normal voice, as example, in mic, and it will basically transform your voice into another style instantly. Whether that's male, female, robotic, or even celebrity style if you have some licensed voices. It's perfect for creators, gamers, and even professional example presentations, or maybe you just want to hang out with your friends and have fun. So, to start an example, you'd like to go to ElevenLabs.io. Open any browser that you want, go to the URL section, and make sure to type 11labs.io and hit the enter button. Once you do so, this will take you into the home screen or main screen of ElevenLabs. Right here, all you need to do is first and go to pricing so you can understand what features do they have. So as you can see, they have the free plan, Starter, Elite, and Pro. If you're planning to get a starter example and to try it first, you can start with the free plan and they give you 10k credits per month. So you'll be able to have the text-to-speech, speech-to-text, music, agent studio, automated dubbing, and API access. Of course, there are other plans here below if you want to get an example more credits, especially if you are like a business or, I don't know, your reasons professional. And of course, as you can see, the credit that they give you, it's basically 10 minutes of high-quality text-to-speech or 15 minutes of agent. But as you can see, the free plan doesn't have their recent feature, which is the voice changers, or as they call it here, the voice cloning. So as you can see, in order to get that, you'll have to get the starter plan, which is $5 per month. Of course, you'll be able to pay that if you want to use it. Now, as example, let's just go to the top right corner and click on sign up to create an account. And if you have an account, just go and click on login. As example for me, let me just go here and sign up into a new account. And here we are, I'm logged in, even if I click on sign up because I already have an account and I already logged in here into this browser before. So as you can see on this list panel, I'll have the voice changer. All I need to do is go and click on that, and this will take me right here. So as you can see, you'll find a lot of things. You'll find here, click to upload or drag and drop something. The audio or video files, it should be up to 50 megabytes each. Or you can record an audio right now. If you want to record audio right now, the browser will ask you for microphone permissions, so make sure to allow it access so it can capture your voice in real time. And you'll see, of course, some main panels. So let's just go here and click on record audio. And as you can see, we'll have to enable microphone, so enable it and make sure that you allow it as you said before. So now you can go and click on start. And as you can see, you have 5 minutes of being able, as example, to speak. Make sure to select your microphone example, especially if you have multiple microphones connected to your PC. As an example, this is the main microphone that I'm talking to at the moment, so it's the one that I'm going to use. Here, I'm just going to click on the start button, and I'm going to say some random stuff as an example to see if it's going to change my voice. Simply, I'm just going to click on start, and as you can see, I'm just going to say, hello, how are you doing? How was your day today? The day was shiny. I hope you're all good. So this should be it. I'm just gonna keep it to 20 seconds example to see if it's good to go or not. So yeah, that's it. Goodbye. As you can see, this is the video that we have. Now, as you can see, you'll be able to hear it to see if it fits the one that you want to change the voice into. If you didn't like it, you can click on this remove audio as example and start generating a new one. Now, as example, if you find the audio is the one that you want to change and to use the voice changer into, you have here now the settings on the right panel. First of all, you have here below two useful options, which is remove background noise. If you have any background noise, example, once you listen to your audio, you can just go here and enable this option, which will remove any background noise that you have. Also, if you see as an example that your voice is low right here, all you need to do, just go back here and make sure to enable the speaker boost. Other than that, there is here some other stuff to edit or to change. So here's an example at the top, you'll have the voice. I'll get into that later. Let's start by the model. So as you can see, they have two models, which is 11 English V2 and it supports only English, and they have 11 multilingual V2. And this supports, an example, a lot of languages. So you'll be able to see that they support English, Japanese, Chinese, and even 26 more. So just go and hover your mouse on 26 more and read an example all the languages that they support right here. If you see an example the language that you speak right here, so you'll be able to use that to voice change an example your voice also in other language other than English. Of course, if you're going to use English, it's better to use this 11 English V2 because it's specified for English only. So now we're done with the model. As an example, it just gets into stability, similarity, and style exaggeration. So exaggeration, exaggeration. So of course, to understand every one of them, what it does, all you need to do is just hover the mouse on. For example, stability will increase stability. It will make, as an example, the voice more consistent between regenerations, but it can also make it sound a bit monotone. On longer text fragments, we recommend lowering this value. For similarity, as an example, as you can see, this high enhance boosts overall voice clarity and target speaker similarity. Very high values can cause artifact, so adjusting this settings to find the optimal value is incorrect. And as you can see, the last one, which is style exaggeration, high values are recommended in the style or if the style of the speech should be exaggerated compared to the uploaded audio. Higher values can lead to more stability and degenerated speech. So setting this to 0.0 will greatly increase the generation speed and is the default setting. So I'm not going to tell you what to choose or what to adjust those because it's basically up to you and you'll be able to generate after and see what will best work for you. Now let's just get into the fun part, which is the voice changer. Here you will be able to choose to which voice you want to change. Of course, you have here search voice an example option where you will be able to search to which voice you want to change. An example, you may want to change your voice to a robotic sound. You will have here a lot of like voice changers to robots or robots as example. Let's say, as example, maybe you want some cartoon sounds. And as you can see, they offer a lot of cartoons. So just choose the one that you want. As example, you can even add it to your voices here if you like. It's an example. So of course you can read description of it. So what is it and what it does. And you can even, example, set it as preferred. So you can always come here and see an example, the all saved voices example. So you can see the voices that you use usually and you don't have to keep looking for it all. So once you finish everything, you can always just come here and click on generate speech. Just go and click. That's an example. And depending on the settings that you put here, they will generate or voice change an example, your voice from here. So if you like it, you can, of course, first of all, be able to hear it just using this button right here. And if you like it, all you need to do, just go and click on download options to download as an example. You can even download it with its original name if you have a specific file that you uploaded with some name as example. So once you click on download, you'll be able to download an example into your PC. And here you are, you have your voice changer voice. Now you can go and add this example to any video that you want, and you should be good. I'll just tell you some quick tips and example that will help you generate some good voices. Make sure to use some good headphones to avoid hearing your own echo. And make sure to keep your mic close and clear to reduce any background noise. Make sure also to test voices before going live. Some voices sounds better in recording than the real time. And of course, if you stream to make content, combine ElevenLabs with OBS or video editor for polished results. And as you can see, you have here your credits that will go down every time you use that. Keep in mind to use it carefully, especially if you don't have a plan or you're not planning to pay more. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. If you do, make sure to comment down below in the comment section and like this video. So thank you for watching again, and I'll catch you in the next video.